Hello everyone and welcome back. So today we are checking out this air purifier. So it's a true HEPA purifier which removes 99.97 airborne particles. It's got a timer, sleep mode, a light, filter, and multiple speeds. Alright guys, so this is the system. As you can see, it is fairly big. Rotate it around. They give a little caution area over here. But overall, it is nice and sleek. So we take a look on the top here. So on the top, we took a sticker off here. It did leave some glue, so we're gonna have to wipe that off a little bit. But you have light, filter to change it, so it will let you know to change your filter. You got timer, on and off, speed mode, and sleep. Alright, so you're going to go ahead and turn it upside down, and then you're going to twist this piece, pop this off. Make sure you take the filter out, and take the bag off the filter first. You don't want to run it with this bag still on. So this is the filter. And that just slides right down in. If you guys want to see the internals, here's the internals. So just slide the filter down in, place this back and twist and lock it into place, and you're good to go. Let's go ahead and power this on. Alright, once we go ahead, you tap it to power it on. So without any lights on, you would be able to see, so there's lights on the buttons itself. So this is under 2. Let's go start number 1. So on mode number 1, you can't really hear it that much. Mode number 2. So mode number 2, it's kind of like hearing a computer running, the computer fans. Speed number 3. Now it's really pulling in. And as you guys can see, there's lights on it. You can adjust that, so you can keep one light. You can have it off. You can have multiple colors. So if you want to pick, if you guys want to pick a specific color, let's turn this down. If you want to pick a specific color, just simply press on it and it will stay that color. So for example, as it's going through the colors, let's say we want to keep it right, well, let's go past the green. We'll keep it here. We just tap and then it stays that color. Tap again and it turns off. Press and hold the power, or actually no, you just got to tap the power button to turn the power off, on and off. And there's your timer. Overall, this is a nice heavy unit, good for medium sized rooms. They do provide you a manual, so check it out. This one we're going to be putting in our basement to purify our basement air. Overall, very nice. It's going to get the job done.